Dude, your chart colors are so dark. Sit next to a window and with the glare, it's so hard to see your chart sometimes. Because you're not on my main monitor, you're on like my side monitor. I look over and it's like you have just enough glare from my lamp in the window that, dude, your chart combined with that glare, I could barely see shit. It's a fucking blackout. Ugh. Dude, why the fuck does he make me burp? I don't know. It doesn't make much sense. What? So, see if we push up here. Reactions off this 5 minute. We got liquidity resting a little higher on the S&P. We're making a SMT. Yeah, oh, never mind. No, we're not. Sitting way higher on NQ. We will be making an SMT here shortly. Like 10 seconds. Maybe no. Maybe it's not gonna push. Oh, way higher. That's what I. Is that not what I said? Oh, sorry. I meant ES because ES is about to sweep it in like 4 points. NQ's got a way to go. NQ has 130 points. Of course, I guess it doesn't matter if you just shit the bed right away.
Not bad.
I don't like this type of price action to be honest, but it starts doing this. Too wiki. I don't like it when it gets wiki and sticky.
Wait.
Yeah, me too.
Um,
I saw your trade yesterday hit. I checked it when I was taking my shit. That's nice. I know. It fucking put you through hell. You walk away from it or you just go,
I just sat.
yeah, it's probably valid. You're already in the you're already in the trade by then. Not much you can do. You see, I guess unless you see a reason to take profits and leave. But you can ask different traders. Some traders will tell you that's a good idea. Some traders will tell you that's a bad idea. Me personally, I need to win. I need to win more than I lose. So when I see confluences stacking against me, I take my profit at the confluences. I guess I shouldn't say confluences. I should just say when I see gaps stacking. And it means I usually make a little bit less money on some trades. I'll leave money on the table more. But also, dude, this is actually like not a fucking bad setup for me. Hold up, I gotta lock in here for a second. Give me. Let me see. Let me just see how this one. I hate I hate taking trades this close to market open though. Because this thing it could give me a good trade or it could wick back fucking and then shoot 50 points in the air. You just can't tell. It's like trying to trade news.
They're like completely polar opposite.
I know. It's freaking me out because I'm telling you, ES is probably gonna pull NQ up. ES is kind of daddy. He's just a little bitch. Does what daddy says. We fought big bad wolf with some woman. I don't even know if I'm probably not. I could, I guess, but it would be a shitty trade. And on a Friday, I really don't want to fucking go and take a shit.
Um,
That would have been Phil. I don't hope it goes up and stops, honestly. There it is. Nice, okay. Not a trade I should have taken, and a trade I didn't take, and boarded for doing so. Although it'll probably. I'm actually adding my fucking alarm right now. Yeah, it just probably wicked this out. Honestly, it's probably gonna go down now. We'll probably go and hit it now. I don't know. We'll see, I guess. Maybe not. That's why I don't like trading this market open shit. This is right in the heat of the market open, too. And that's why. Just don't know, man. People thrive in the market open. Some people love it. Because this just doesn't make much sense. Like we get a perfect internal sweep after sweeping external highs. We're in a 1 hour fair value gap, which is down. And it's just like, okay, guys, let's just go back up 50 points for no reason at all. This might even keep just pushing upwards, honestly. We swept the 15-minute liquidity at 145 yesterday.
I'll make it.
Yeah, we did. That's one of them anyway. Yeah, that's why you don't trust the market open, fellas, and you like to fuck with you. That market open is edgy.
There's random JR follows him on TikTok.
Oh no. Oh no.
I don't think.
No, it's not. You know how many TJRs I have following me? I probably have 7 or 8 TJRs following me. I'm not even kidding. I wish I was. Just go send him a picture and be like, oh yeah, me too, me too. He follows all of us. Say, yeah, that's a real TJR. When he asks you for your credit card information, give it to him. He'll pay you back. He's good for
for
it.
your social security, give it to him.
That's what I'm saying. And now I'm curious. There's one.
I mean, honestly, what
Well,
are
never
the
mind.
chances we
I'm down only
react
one.
off of it? JR20 tells me on. Follows all.
I got TJR 39.
Why does he have 39 accounts?
At this at this rate, I'm hoping we get this high up here, close this SMT, but dude, it's fucking 110 points up there, man. Oh, I hope we just shove down quick. I even have a fake Creighton.
Oh, bro.
I have a
Shot.
Creighton NQ underscore.
Bro, I had another yesterday. You texting me on TikTok? I'm like, nope.
Actually, I have two Creightons. I have a Creighton 220 as well. That one with the Porsche, the GT3 RS background. Then I have the one I sent TikToks to. If that's not you, I've been sending TikToks to some random dude for a long time.
Wait, what's one?
No, I think I'm pretty sure you've been fucking getting my shit, and that or you're just guy responding is just not you. It's your main
Oh,
one. It's the
yeah.
one with the Trade Point logo.
Okay. I've been fucking every.
I'm just talking to some random dude. He would have been pretty chill, honestly. He hasn't tried to sell me shit. You know, he would have been a pretty chill scammer if that. You know, we're in there selling each other bullshit memes. Like, hey, I know you're not Creighton, but hey, let me get your snap. Yeah, some of your real TikTok. Dude's pretty cool. What's not so funny is this fucking price tag. At least give me a chance. Give me a chance. Let's run this fucking algo up. I wanna get a nice little breakout day where we just run up until like 3 in the afternoon.
I mean, I don't see it.
The only problem is I would be buying on ES, and ES is like not the index to be buying on if you're looking at buying. We just took that high on ES. So it's either gonna do one of those days where it just randomly pushes up, for no reason at all, with like the next draw on liquidity like 500 points away, or it's gonna fuck off, do some shit I don't want to see.
Moves fucking before market. I don't know.
Hasn't been a good week, but it hasn't been a bad week.
By the way,
There goes that 1 hour per buy, yeah. We don't close it. Worst part is we have no news. And it was a big gap up. I would have thought we'd be going down. Well, at least retrace some of that, but dude, fucking A.
Jeez.
Shut up. Okay. I want to see if I get my alarm today. That'd be cool. My alert, my ding dong. I know damn well if I posted some shit on a car and it's like after years of hard work, I'll get a laugh at you. I'm sitting on like a blacked out C8 and it says, don't forget to clock in at 4. I know damn well if I posted that shit, I'd get the worst price action you've ever seen for months after that. Dude, whenever I talk about trading at all to anybody, and I even like, I don't do it anymore at all. I don't do it like whatsoever, but I've never even really bragged. But if I even so much as said, hey, I'm a trader, then they're like, oh, that's kind of cool. You know, how much money do you make? Or how much money have you made in like one day? They ask that question. And I say, you know, reluctantly, I'm like, oh, I don't know, a couple grand. And then they get all, my ego gets inflated and shit. The fucking very next day, dude, I get fucked so hard you wouldn't even imagine, dude. It's crazy. Like every time I do that, I get sucked into like the worst price action and like the worst trades ever. I just don't talk to people anymore about it. And granted, like in the 2 years I've been trading, the time I've talked to people, I can count them on one hand. So I never really did it a lot.
Like people.
Yeah,
"Oh, dude."
exactly. Yeah.
Yeah.
And I'm like, oh,
Yeah.
yeah, I trade like I trade 200 grand or so in funded accounts. And then they go, oh my god, that's kind of great. Yeah, yeah. And then they say that bullshit, and then the very fucking next day I'll be blowing accounts or some bullshit. Maybe not blowing
Bro, I have
accounts, but
that
like getting fucked.
That's something good about it. I was like on my like non-eval losing, I was just passing evals back to back to back. Literally like the next week,
Yeah, dude.
just fucking try. Fuck, I blew a fucking eval, fucking terrible price.
It's crazy how that fucking works, dude. There was one month I made 10 grand, like in a live account. And I went to my dad and I was like, Dad, you know what? Kind of crazy, dude. Like I'm actually kind of doing this shit. And then the fucking like the following month, dude, I damn near lost it all.
Oh
Dude, that was my fucking canon event, bro. I was so fucking
fuck,
mad.
dude, that's how.
I learned to shut my fucking
Nice.
trap, is what I did, dude. I learned to shut the
No,
fuck
that's
up.
literally.
And now I don't tell my parents anything. I don't tell my friends anything. My friends have no idea what the fuck I'm going through at any moment, honestly. Like they're like they could be like, oh yeah, he's riding cloud 9, you know, he's doing really well. Sometimes they ask me, and I always just say good. Or I say I'm doing alright. It doesn't matter if I've made
Yeah.
fucking, you know, if I passed 4 accounts and I've made it doesn't even matter. Say I'm alright. I'm good.
Yeah, that's what I always say. My mom will like grandma like good. I'm good.
My mom will ride me. She'll be like, "What's the plan? So what are you doing? So what's the next step?" That's the one where I get the most. Like, she's always curious about it, and it comes from a supportive place. You know, like she wants to just talk about it with me because it's what I do. Then I gotta be like, "Mom, trust me. It's probably better if we just don't talk about this.
Yeah.
We'll just let it happen." It's gonna be so crazy though because nobody actually knows what I do, and it's not posted anywhere on my thing. So if I ever actually show up with like hella bread, they're gonna think I sell drugs. They already thought I sold drugs when I made some money flipping cars, and that's gonna be like times 10 now. SMT again. Now it's an opposite though. Now NQ took the internal high and ES is dumping. Dumpy wumpy. The fuck is this bullshit? Looking at something on my fucking Echo show, it says Mario Bros IRL and it's some fat little kid with a mustache on. Why is that why is that an advertisement? What is this horse shit? Okay, hold on. I'm gonna send this to you. Dude, what the fuck is this, bro? I looked down and this fucker was looking up at me. Like, how much money did that little fuck have to pay? Get onto my fucking Echo show. Weird. That's just so fucking random, dude. I don't know why that's even on there. Fucking weird. Weird shit, dude. Somebody's into it, clearly. Now I'm gonna get into this really weird conundrum where it's like, do I want to wait for a external sweep? Because if I do, I'm not trading today. Or it's like, is being inside a 15-minute fair value gap and getting, you know, taps off these fair value gaps and in an internal sweep or maybe like a 1-minute sweep, is that enough? It's the only part of my strategy that I'm not necessarily dialed in. It's like, what do I know what I should have, but it's like, what also works, you know? The other day I had a 1-minute sweep. It was trading into a 5-minute, but it's a 5-minute I could have squeezed just because I was trading into like equilibrium, and I was like, yeah, we'll probably retrace into this inverse 5-minute equilibrium. And then it occurred to me, I was like, well, I don't really have a fucking sweep. I mean, I'm inside this high time frame fair value gap, but my sweep is all I have for a sweep is this 1-minute little tiny baby sweep off like the side of a bigger trend, you know? Like, what the fuck do I do here? I didn't take it and it worked flawlessly, so I don't know what I really want to do in terms of labeling sweeps, but I know I want some kind of sweep, because if I don't do sweeps, I just start going gun ho and thinking everything. That's not good. Even though this trade right now, if I took this baby ass little inverse fair value gap, the one that's like seriously like 1 tick wide, yeah, it's 1 tick. If I took my position on that right now up to this low, it's probably gonna hit. Really interested in trades that small though, to be honest with you. Fucking.
Honestly, one.
So I've got this morning I'm going to go grab lunch with her, and I am going to go to the gym and therapy, and I'm going to go golf. So I'm kind of packed up, sweetie, you know what I'm saying? Dude, I have to be so fucking careful on Fridays, because if I make a wrong move here, I'm walking on eggshells, because if I make a fucked up move or some bullshit, I'm gonna be pissed my whole weekend. Maybe not pissed, but it'll just be in my mind all weekend. And I really don't want it to be, so it's like a fucking ghost that just haunts me until Monday. There you go, I would have hit TP. Boy, this would have been a crazy trade, not gonna lie. A really, really weird little guy, but fuck it. Sometimes the cute little guys hit better than the big guys. Still a 1 to 2, you risk right, you know, you're still making the same money. A lot smaller of a trade. Didn't have a sweep though, so
Oh, in this gap, right? But in 5 minutes. If you can
I'm thinking, and we did we are probably gonna open this 1 hour too. Give us some support. Honestly, I wouldn't mind sweeping these pre-market lows. If we could do that, I'd be looking for buys. That'd be sick. That'd be rad. I'm having one of those days where I'm pushing the fucking clock, dude. I'm like, I have to shit. And it's like, I get so fucking close sometimes where it's sketchy as fuck. I get scared. I'm like, am I gonna make it to the trading session? Sometimes, dude, like, I don't have the chance to overtrade. You know, I can't sit here till fucking 11:30. I'm out at 11, dude, because I'm taking that. This coffee just fucking destroys me. I couldn't work a 9 to 5 and drink coffee, I don't think, dude. It's crazy. Dude, there's been one where, like, there's been a couple times I can think of that's like, holy shit, I gotta go.
I got it. Oh,
Like, in the middle of market, like, I've taken my laptop in and I've traded on I set it on my speaker that I have in my shower or in my bathroom, and I fucking just set up like a makeshift trading station. Fucking traded in my bathroom. You gotta do what you gotta do, man. This for shit. Are we really gonna react off this fucking gap? Oh my god, I'm not trading into the fucking no. Fucking dick. I'm not trading into that reaction though. If we don't inverse that gap, I'm not interested. I don't know, dude. Today might be one of those days.
we'll get a move later, I think. It's just if yes, fucking
Dude, you and I are on different wavelengths right now. I'm not gonna lie to you, man. You're talking about charting. I'm talking about taking a shit and having to trade on the toilet. It might be one of those days, bro. What the fuck is wrong with me, man? Fucked up. Sharpens the mind. You gotta be in a little bit of pain if you want, you really want to be sharp. It puts my predator reflexes on fucking, I'm on go mode. Gotta have a little bit of pain. You gotta be a little uncomfortable. Or you're not gonna be on your edge, right? I need an inverse on this fair value gap, or I'm not taking shit. Did it doink? Did doink? Did doink?
5 minute or
Nah, this 1 minute right now. This 1 minute. Fucking this 928 gap, because we're reacting off it. If I can't get a close below this and like show that, hey, we're not reacting off this, I'll take it. But I mean, if we react off this and slam into my fucking limit order, I mean, I don't want to do that because odds that we're just gonna push right through my limit order are a lot better if we're reacting off a gap. You know what I'm saying? How I'm saying? Oh, that's a good song. I sit down.
really holding it, bro.
Dude, that's what I'm fucking saying, bro. Because I'm about to fill. Okay, I just would have filled. And this thing might actually pump. Dude, it's gonna pump. All because of that little fucking one little no mass 1 minute gap, dude. Yeah, what is this bullshit? Seriously? Look at that. All because of that little 1 minute gap. That wasn't it. If we didn't actually get reactions off that, this would have looked more like a pullback. But dude, we just blew through this fucking 1 minute because we reacted off two 2 1 minutes. I have 5 minute down there too, isn't there? No, there's not.
Yeah.
Yeah, what? We're
We're
cleared.
in the fun.
Okay, we're in one, but we're cleared for fucking takeoff too for everything else. Crazy shit, yo. Ooh. That's why I don't trade when I get reactions off fucking gaps. Even though the re-entry on this is probably gonna work. Disappointing, man. I'm not gonna lie, because I'm horny. I'm really horny. I want to take a trade. Need to take a trade. This is gonna hit too. Target's 21 814.25. Actually, my target's right at that fucking gap. Shawty, swing my way. Shawty, swing my way. It's gonna be one where we just dilly-dally inside the opening 15-minute range the whole fucking time. Oh, Buttercup. Buttercup. Do I go short here? Not until we can close that 5 minute too. Look at this bullshit. If I didn't trade inside an inverse 5 minute, bet your fucking bottom dollar I'm not gonna trade inside an actual 5 minute. Even though it'll slam right now and it'll have my TP, make me want to kill myself. There it goes. Strike my TP. Another trade I'm gonna miss. Awesome sauce, guys. Oh, we need another 2 points, but it'll give it because I'm not in it. Maybe it won't. I hope it doesn't, but it will. I'm not in this, so it'll hit. Gotta swing my way. Gotta swing my way. And that's TP. Sick, bro. What about to re-enter that one too?
Cool beans.
You know, if I actually went for a 1 to 1.5, I would not be getting fucked like. Never mind. Actually, a 1 to 1.5 would have wicked out by like a quarter of a point. Well, that was cool, but not my trade, so. Unfortunate.
Unfortunate.
I think I only made like 450 bucks this week, I'm not gonna lie. Oh shit, less than that. Let's see, I'll do the math here. I only made. Oh, that's all up. $360. Wow, dude. I could go work a fucking. I could go like wash cars or something and make that money. Yeah, I don't know. This is not bad price action. I also didn't really get a good sweep. I don't know. I'm not sure I want to take this off this fucking. All we did was sweep this, and that's not even really a sweep if it's not a sweep, you know? We just pushed up. That doesn't make it a sweep. I need a fucking sweep, yo. Like, a sweep. Not we just close above and go for a fucking run and continue the trend. I want a sweep. I hope this fucking you shorting this? I wouldn't. There's no sweeps, buddy. Although if we make these 5-minute highs, now we have 5-minute highs. If we sweep these, now that would be interesting. I'm not gonna lie to you. It would, honestly. And we'll make a triangle. This is what it's gonna do. It's gonna make a fucking triangle, buddy. In the week of triangles, breakout traders are getting fucking fed.
Oh, this. Uh-oh.
Well, I could never be a trading streamer, dude. I don't get how they fucking do that shit on TikTok. I don't get it. Honestly. Like, do they sit here and don't take trades for fucking 2 hours? Don't get it, man. Don't get it. If we get sweeps, though, not gonna lie, gonna look nice. Gonna look really nice. I got a fucking message from D.
E?
His name is D. Asking me about an old mentor. Dude, new traders will find me in other discords and like message me and shit. They'll just ask the fucking like a ton of questions, man. And I don't mind questions about trading. I'd rather get a call though, because otherwise, dude, like, I don't know. I'm also not really the teaching type. I'll leave that to, I mean, maybe one day, but I don't really want to do it, right now. I'm not quite the. Jesus, dude, that little fat prick's on my fucking screen again. What the fuck is with this shit? I'm not interested in Super Mario, dude. He's like cosplaying Super Mario. Fuck, bro. I don't. I'll put this shit in chat. Yes. I don't know, that thing scared me. I lost my train of thought. Didn't even get a sweep. Didn't even get a big sweep. This actually still might be manipulation, though. Oh no, if this is manipulation, bro, we're gonna have some fucked up shit to deal with as we pump to the upside. Steep triangle. So this makes the lower end of it. That way I don't have to really fuck with this bullshit. Oh, that might be manipulation, man. We might just pump now. Oh no. The reason I don't trade breakout anymore is it's such bullshit trying to figure out what's the manipulation and what's the breakout. Dude, it's like it's not like once you see the manipulation, it's like okay, we're gonna break out. But dude, sometimes like the manipulation looks like a fucking breakout, and then it's like, oh, okay, well this is just manipulation. So you buy the bottom when it comes back in the trend line, and then all of a sudden it fucking like it pumps or it dumps back because it was just retracing the trend line. Because every time it breaks out, it also retraces. And that's when you're supposed to enter the breakout on the retracement. So it's like, what the fuck, bro? Like this could be retracing the trend line right now, or this could be the manipulation. Only God knows. I'm not even gonna be able to take a trade on my algo right now. I'm not seeing enough fucking sell orders. I'm assuming this is manipulation. Usually if it breaks out pretty strong. The worst part is everybody was selling that.
So many people took shorts right there. Ones wouldn't be bad.
Well, it's about a fucking
Surrender
pump
plate.
to the upside if it's gonna do what I'm thinking. Oh my god, look at ES. We got a bullish SMT too. I don't know. Maybe there's a possibility. I'm not seeing a lot of volume right now. Maybe it'll fuck around a little longer, but
Pursue.
if this is classic breakout style, this thing needs to be. Of course, maybe you want to take the line from here. Maybe we haven't broken out yet.
We're generating a bunch of both relatively sooner or later. We're either gonna dump or we're gonna get a manipulation.
Yep. You know, technically, this is the bull flag. Technically, you want to trade patterns. And we just have a bearish channel over here. This isn't even a fucking flag. On ES. Straight fucking bearish channel. Damn near parallel, actually. Almost impressive. The weird news is both of these patterns, and granted, patterns are ass, that's why we don't trade them, but both of these patterns, they're supposed to break upwards. So we'll see if they do. I want price to go down, personally. Or at least manipulate to the upside and then go down. Actually, if we get manipulation to the upside and then it comes down, that'd be great. That'd be what I want.
I'm gonna run some of these highs.
Oh, yeah.
One of these moves, they're fucking highs. I feel like if we take out all the highs in a row,
Boy, this is boring, bro. You know what this means? It's gonna be one of those days that the move is after 11. If it's not like at 10:30, it's gonna be fucking 11. I hope the 10:30 move is what we're looking for. Oh,
It's setting up to sweep out all of the
no,
liquidity
bro,
we're
it's gonna be
holding.
cool. It's probably gonna it's gonna happen at 10:30. It's gonna be one of the half-hour moves.
Oh, you have an SMT now.
Oh, you do. Oh. Oh no, don't go down first. I really, really, really want this to go up first, manipulate upwards, and then dump. I really don't want it to fucking go down and then go up. Like,
Push through.
shit, I don't like this.
I didn't know.
Motherfucker. Boy, this is faking so many people out, it's crazy. Oh my god. Dude, I've never been so bored in my life. I'm gonna start gambling on stake while I'm trading. Get a double fix. God, no, that's not what I fucking wanted, dude. Oh my. Technically, actually, you know what? Technically, if we don't take that bottom low, it's not a complete sweep. We're like one tick off. This could still be alright. We still might manipulate the upside. This might just be like a manipulation, bro. Like, this could be fucking. If it does this, though, that is cheeky. If it does what I think it's gonna do, that is cheeky. Cheeky as fuck, mama. So many people just longed right there. It's not even funny. And they're gonna be right, at least for a little bit. Ah. I got a shit too bad for this bullshit. About 10:30, it's gonna make that 10:30 move. Tell you what though, dude, this is looking a lot more normal. Actually, the way Price is just acting, it looks a lot normal, more normal. There's that 10:30 volume. That's what nobody wanted. Absolutely nobody wanted this. Oh my god, bro. Fucking A. Fucking A, bud. I ain't getting dick today. I might as well fucking go shit. Wake up. It's the first of the month.
Wait, you kidding, bro?
Come back or something?
Did that just, bro?
Going back yet?
That's crazy.
What are you saying that I don't? I'm getting left out. I'm on the 5 minute.
My screen, bro? Do you see my screen? Look at this shit.
What is this?
What the fuck, bro? Look at my fuck,
Oof. Oofta.
bro. What the fuck, bro? Did it hit, bro? God,
Got an SM, you got an SMT too.
bro. No way. Judge is close. It's just bound to be, huh?
I don't know. I don't want to tell you that, honestly. That's a loaded question.
No. We're in a 5 minute. We have an SMT. still on a hard time for MPD array on ES. Bro, but like, come on. Did we actually take the low? We didn't actually take the low. Oh, that's unfortunate. Really tragic. Quick. Absolutely. Quick. This should still hopefully have. Take the low on. There's not even a low on yet. We didn't even take the low. We'll take this time. Honestly, there we go. About time.
Didn't give me a fucking.
I was gonna. I was gonna. Let's see that. 270. 270. Holy crap! Does it feel nice to take a winning trade on a Friday?
Is it what you got in that eval?
Only like 51,200.
Oh damn.
Dude, I've been on this fucker for 2 weeks, bro. Fucking weeks. Waiting for the patients.
What was the move off of? What'd you take it? What was your confluence?
SMT changing the state on the 1 minute, 5 minute, inverse 15 minute, or no, there's no 15 minute gap. We're inside of a bearish 1 hour. We inversed a 5 minute gap, and really, yeah, that's about it.
What are you in that all the chop then? Because that all happened a while ago, didn't it? Or did you wait for the SMT?
Nah, SMT, and then we got assist on E or NQ, and
I gotcha.
the stop was above like those rated high, which I could have gotten swept out, but bro, we everything on NQ.
I'm surprised you didn't get swept out, to be honest with you. I'm really surprised. I feel like that doesn't happen very often where there's no manipulation, it just goes. Granted, this could, I guess, be the manipulation right now.
Yeah, this definitely might be the min.
It just pumps the upside now.
A good RR.
1 to 2.
Oh, 2.4.
I'm going down to fucking, dude, as soon as this bitch hits 11, I'm taking a shit. Especially on a Friday.
Oh yeah, 100%.
Honestly, I'm debating on just going now, but I'll wait.
Nice. That's why I like to see. Good both fun. Jeez, that's it. That cell was clean. Appreciate it, kid.
Damn, it looks like that might have been the manipulation. It just manipulated down to your stop or your target. That's nice, at least, you know. Fucking A.
I'm not fucking tired. Fuck that shit. I originally had it at the 15-minute low and the fair value gap. But we had another 5-minute fair value gap on you and that low and then MS. Like,
Yeah, dude.
just confluence, gotta close it there.
That was definitely manipulation. You look at this bitch pump now. But now here's the kicker. Is this just to retrace the trend line, or is this the fucking actual manipulation? So fucking dumb.
Can't hear y'all. Are y'all talking? Yeah.
Yeah, I would type that in chat, buddy. Yeah, 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 yeah. You can't hear us? Oh man. Hey, try doing this. Yeah, yeah. Honestly.
Okay, let's go put this straight in. Oh, but yeah. Whoa. Frankly, what videos have you watched so far? On the course on Loft. My wrist was like on that trade too. Maybe. Yeah. Talking about like that strategy or we
Sky pump, sky pump. Boy, if I didn't trade my strategy, there's so much shit I could do here. Oh, but we're inside a bearish 1 hour. Oh my god. Oh, but we could just get manipulation. Oh my god. I might get frisky. I might get frisky. Do I really want to lose a trade on Friday? I don't know. That's the truth. That's the fucking truth. Although I'm not gonna lie to you, this shit looks alright. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Oh shit, Skyfall. How much am I gonna let this bearish 1 hour scare me? What do I have supporting me? Just about jack shit. About 5 minutes? Oh man. This is sketchy, bro.
Yeah, that's and I'm adding more videos to that as well. Constantly training day.
14.
Content. I might record some of the videos in there. Make it a little bit fun.
This 5 contract.
Yeah, for sure. Because you just DM me and that's I like the ending to this. I don't care if I'm still on a fucking eval, bro. Been doing what I need to do,
Did you take that on
so
paper?
I'm happy. No, I was actually on my eval. It was like fucking $100 written. I really had no problem with that.
You get it switch your role? So you're gonna trade Fridays again?
Well, so my rule now is paper trade Fridays unless I really like the setup. Unless everything's telling me that we're gonna go here, that's the only way I'm taking my account. In the week, I think we're up, but 9 to 5 type
Same.
Monday was yeah, 390. Yeah, so I'm only up 270 today. I think. Ooh, no. No news. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. We're gonna have to. Well, I think I'm gonna hop off. I end of the trading day. Surprisingly went well.
There you go. That's good. Good, 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 good. Oh. Do I want to try to do a bearish 1 hour? Is the question of the day.
Oh no. Better. Wi-Fi money in this bitch.
Indie bit.
Heavy is the head that has tight ass plus.
Yeah.
Money in that bit.
No, you gotta say it all together. It's like Wi-Fi money in that bit. Oh my god, bro. What the fuck? I can't even get. Man, I can't even get stopped out.
See y'all boys tomorrow, Sunday. Hey, type shit.
You don't want to double dip?
But no, I don't want to double dip.
Alright, bro. See ya. Here I am.
Big chick.
Oh. Not a good trade. Jack Harlow.
Yes.
Mustang? That's crazy. Hey, yeah. Hey. Hey. I ain't gonna cap to you, boys. I really got shit, so I'm gonna watch this trade. But I gotta